like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I'm coming with Kong Wholesale household goods box. Now I paid $70 and some odd dollars, and that's because I have it on subscribe and save. Now, if you buy just one off, it's like $100. And that includes shipping, and I'll be honest with you, this one is so heavy. I don't know how to do that, quite honestly, because this I struggled to get it in the door. So that's what we're going to do today, but I'd like to touch on, my recent health problem. I went to Louisiana with my grandson to help move his family up here. And while I was down there, I just kind of kept dozing off, and I was talking incoherently for about 3 days. I was hallucinating. And so then I eventually just totally quit responding. So my granddaughter's boyfriend went and got my grandson, something's wrong with Grandma. So they called the squad, got the squad there. I got to the emergency room down there, and they said my sugar was 288. Well, that's not enough to make you batshit crazy. And I mean, I was talking on my head crazy stuff. And so they said, well, you probably need to get on sugar medicine and blah, blah. Well, I was still sick when I got here. We had to stop at my granddaughter's house so I could take a nap on the way home. And I still wasn't doing good. My grandson took me to my mom's, because that's where my car was, where I left my car. And my mom, the next morning, she says, Jeb, you need to go to the hospital. You need to call the squad. So I could see what it was doing to her. And she was really worried. So I went and I let the squad take me. Well, come to find out, it never was my sugar. It was my pulse ox was so low that I literally was not getting oxygen to my brain. So when I got to Marion General, they kept me, which of course they did. They kept me, and I was in there for a week. And at one point, after I was already there for a day, I think it was, they said my pulse ox was 83, so it was probably in the 70s when I was in Louisiana, which I didn't know it could go that low, especially for that long, and you survive it. I didn't know that. It's way low. So anyway, that's what I've been recovering with, and my lung capacity still isn't what it was, and it'll take me a while to get back because, I've been in this situation before, but I just wanted to do something to start feeling a little bit more normal. So here is what I'm going to do today. And I did end up getting another toy box, and both girls and boys, because I wasn't able to cancel it because, it wasn't exactly coherent. So, but she has gotten on there for me and canceled the girls and boys toys. So, well, but I'm still getting this one because, quite honestly, you can't beat it for $70. And I'm going to go ahead and start my booth at that consignment shop I was talking about, hopefully this month. So that'll make it easier too. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. Now this looks like somebody actually played Jenga to get this shit in here. So there's that. Here, let me look at this real fast. Let me tell you. Yeah, I paid $71.05 or something. Or $71.29, I think it was. And that's with tax and everything. So, we'll start right here. And this is one of those pans. It's a square griddle. Which I don't even have one. I think I got one in the last couple boxes ago. And I didn't use it, but I just may. And then we have an airplane pillow, and it's purple. Okay. And then I got ultrasonic diffuser for your house, which I got one and I never use it. I don't know why, I just don't. But there was something in here very, very heavy, and I don't know what it is, so. Okay. And here is a gray rectangular tablecloth. which I could probably use that in my little booth. Let's see what this is. Titleist #1 ball in golf. Got a whole box of golf balls. And there they are. So, then I got this. These are just little hand towels, little drying towels for your kitchen or wash rags. Here is a scoop. A whisk. They did play Junior here. I don't know what these are. They're tied together. Take it out this way. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. And they go with my kitchen. Huh. Wow. And there's 2 of them. And they go with my kitchen. I think I will be keeping those. Aren't they cute? Because I can put those as decorations. I do that sometimes. All in one motion. Oh, it's one of them exercise wheels. And this is just a mix of anything and everything. Here is a mattress protector with bed bug blocker. See if I can find out what size it is. Oh, it's a full. Here are 2 picture frames. They're the same? Yeah, they're the same. And this is what they look like. And they can be hung or stood. So there's that. And here is a bunch of tablespoons. A whole bunch of them. I have no idea what this is, but we're going to see. I don't know what it is. We're going to have to see. Okay, there's 2 of these. Oh, I assume one is hand soap and the other one is, it's pretty. So it's probably hand soap and lotion set or something to that effect. So there's that one. Let's see what this is. Bentigo Kids Chew. It's a lunchbox type thing. Leak-proof lunchbox. And then we have a tissue box holder. Which that's interesting. It's pretty big. You could also use it for garbage bags or something on your wall. You can use it for garbage bags on your wall. I have one for garbage bags on my wall right now. Very similar to that. Okay. Then we got this. And it's like a... Let's see what it is. It's like waffle towels, I think. It's made by Casual Luna. Let's see what it says. Oh, it's just a hand towel. Kind of looks like they're hand towels, so you can use them in the kitchen. Then I got a 2-slice toaster, which that is something I did throw away, was my toaster. And then 2 cutting boards, and they're both bamboo. They're by Figmint. So that is this one. Well, worth 70 bucks. I don't know how much golf balls go for, but a lot of this stuff I'm sure I'll get more than my money back. So I'll probably keep the toaster because quite honestly I threw mine away because I don't remember why. So anyway, you know, do the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe. Come on back. Join us. Old people need help too. Bye.